The iRobot Roomba J9 Plus Pet Vacuum offers unparalleled suction power that is 100% stronger than its predecessors, ensuring even the most stubborn pet hair is effortlessly lifted from your carpets. It comes equipped with a dirt detective feature that intelligently learns from your cleaning history, allowing it to prioritize rooms and adjust its suction power for an optimized cleaning experience. Thanks to the iRobot OS and PrecisionVision Navigation, the Roomba J9 Plus can recognize and avoid common obstacles such as cords, pet waste, and shoes, making cleaning even more efficient. With the pet owner official promise, your Roomba J9 Plus is guaranteed to avoid your pet's waste, and if it doesn't, iRobot promises to replace your robot for free. The Roomba J9 Plus boasts a self-emptying feature that can hold up to 60 days of debris, freeing you from the hassle of regular vacuum bin emptying for 2 whole months. Featuring a proprietary 3-stage cleaning system, the Roomba J9 Plus uses dual multi-surface rubber brushes, an edge-sweeping brush, and a power-lifting suction that is 100% stronger than other iRobot models for a thorough and efficient clean.